So, does your wrist feel better?
Yeah.
How much better?
It feels good.
Are you in pain?
No, I'm crying for no reason. I have to go pee.
You do have to go pee?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you think you want to get up or do you want to?
Yeah.
Okay. How's your blood pressure, Cuff?
What?
How's your blood pressure, Cuff?
I don't know.
You need to stop moving so it'll take your blood pressure.